In this video, you'll learn how to obtain the voice ID of any voice in ElevenLabs. By following these instructions, you will be able to seamlessly identify and use specific voices within the platform. Start by navigating to the ElevenLabs website. Once there, look for the login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your account credentials. It is important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the login process. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Voices option in the menu. This action takes you to a page where various voice options are displayed, allowing you to explore the available selections. Pay attention to the loading time, as it may vary based on your internet speed. Next, look for the section labeled Weekly Spotlight Character Voices. Clicking on this will direct you to a curated list featuring highlighted character voices. This section will showcase a variety of voices, making it easier for you to find what you are looking for. If the page takes longer to load, it may be due to heavy traffic or a slower connection. Once you are in the character voices section, choose a voice that you wish to obtain the ID for. Each voice will have distinct characteristics, so take a moment to listen to them if you need assistance in making your selection. After identifying your desired voice, hover over it to reveal additional options. After selecting the voice, locate the 3 dots icon, which usually appears next to the voice name. Clicking on these dots will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Copy Voice ID. This action will copy the voice ID to your clipboard, allowing you to use it as needed. Ensure that you have sufficient clipboard space if you're working with multiple IDs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.